Guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to link Advcash with Binance. I will show you how you can link Advcash with Binance so you can buy cryptocurrency from Advcash direct, and it will be credited direct to your Binance. To link your Advcash, you need to click on buy crypto here. Once you click on buy, it will show you a link to Binance. Then click it. So this will pop up option to log into your Binance. Then I'm going to put my email and password. So I have insert my email and password. Then I click on login here. So it's now logging in. Once you click on login, it will show you where you will verify your code, which they will send code to your email and to the phone number used to register in Binance. After this process, then you link your Advcash directly to Binance. So I'll click to get code on email and phone number now. Security code sent to my email and phone number. Then click on submit. So after you click on submit, you have successfully bound the account. You see the right success here. So you have bind the account. So now you can buy crypto. Let me show you. See here the right congratulations. You can now buy various in Advcash. So you have successfully buying it. So you just click on OK here. And if you check here, you see my email here, they say unbound, so you can also unbound it anytime you want. So this is how to bind your Advcash with Binance. And so when you buy crypto from Advcash, it will be credited directly to your Binance. Thanks for watching this video. Please, if this video helped you, please share, subscribe. Thank you.